A very good morning, dear students. Welcome back after the winter break. I hope that you all had enjoyed Christmas, New Year. So before starting with our class, I would like you to all to wish a very happy New Year. May this New Year be loaded with success, happiness, and you all be blessed with good health. So let us begin now chapter number 10, that is the time and calendar. We have started the chapter number 10, time and calendar. Exercise 10A, we had done the exercise 10A. So today we will be doing the exercise 10B. So before starting exercise 10B, you must know how to read the time. So telling the time to the nearest minutes, we will be telling the time to the nearest minute. So here I have drawn a clock. In this clock, let me draw this red one. It is the hour hand. This is smaller, and the blue one that I'll be drawing with the blue. This one is the minute hand. This blue one is the minute hand. Now you all know that there are 60 marks on the face of the clock. This is the face of the clock, and if you count these marks, total how many marks will be there? 60 marks. Total 60 marks are there, out of which 12 are numbered. Of this 12 marks, they are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Two consecutive numerals show a duration of 5 minutes. Here between 12 and 1, there the duration of 5 minutes is there. Here between 12 and 1, the duration of 5 minutes. How many duration is there? Of the 5 minutes. Then again between 1 and 2, duration of 5 minutes is there. Between 2 and 3, duration of 5 minutes is there. Duration means you can say gap of 5 minutes is there. Thus, if the minute hand is at 1, this is the minute hand. This minute hand, it is at 1. It means 5 minutes. What does it mean? It means 5 minutes. If the minute hand is at 2, what does it mean? 10 minutes. If it is at 3, it means 15 minutes. So what I am doing, I am simply multiplying it with the 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. And so on. Between the numerals, we have subdivision. Each subdivision stands for 1 minute. Here you can see this red mark. This each it stands for the 1 minute. This each red mark, it stands for the 1 minute. Now what's the time here? See the hour hand, it is at 3, and the minute hand, it is at 1. So what will be the time in this watch? Hour hand is at 3, so I will be writing 3. Minute hand, it is at 1. So what does it mean? It is at 1. So 1, 5s are 5. So it is 3:05. What is the time here? The time here I have written here, it is 3 hours 5 minutes is the time here. Now I'll be again just changing this hour and the minute hand, and we have to tell the time in the clock. What is the time in this clock? First it is at hour hand, it is at 3, and the minute hand I will be drawing with another color. The minute hand, it is at 5. So what is the time? First you have to see this black one. The black one, it is at 3. It means 3 hour, and how many minutes? The minute hand, it is at 5. It is at 5. So 5 5s are 25. So it is 3:25. Again let us rub it, and again let us make it. Here it is the hour hand. The hour hand, it is short. It is at 5. And the minute hand, this minute hand, it is at 10. This minute hand, it is at 10. Now you have to tell the time here. You have to tell the time. What is the time here? The hour hand, it is at 3. It means we can write straight The hour hand it is at 5. So I'll be writing 5, and the minute hand it is the red one. The red one it is at 10. So 5 tens are 50. 5:50. Let us do one more. Let us draw again the clock, and then we'll be writing the time. I am again drawing the face of a clock. How I'll be drawing? Here it is 12, here it is 3, here it is 6, here it is 9, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now in between each you have to draw 4 lines. So total how many divisions will be there? 60. 60 will be there. This 4 you have to draw it equally. Here also we will be drawing 4. Here also we will be drawing 4. Here also we will be drawing 4. Now after 12 and 1, between 12 and 1, 5 minutes is there. Here also between 1 and 2, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, again 5 minutes, 5 minutes and so on. Now let us draw an hour hand. The clock it consists of a hour hand. Hour hand it is always short, and a minute hand. This minute hand it is the longer one. The minute hand is this one. Now what is the time here? You can see the hour hand it is at 4. So 4, and how many minutes are there? The minute hand it is at 9. So how many minutes are there? Either you can count like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Or straight away what you can do? The minute hand it is at 9. So 5 multiplied by 9. 5 nines are 45. So the time is 4:45. You can also write straight away also here. Now let us, I am again changing the hour and the minute hand, and you have to tell the time now. The hour hand it is at 2, and the minute hand, now I will be drawing the minute hand. This minute hand it is pointing near here. So now what's the timing here? Just start counting the minutes here. The hour hand it is at 2. So 2 hour, and how many minutes are there? See, the minute hand it is here at this mark. So 5 minutes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2, 14. So like this we will be writing. Now we will be using AM and PM. Here I have written 2:14, but we do not know whether it is AM or PM. So the time shown in the given clock it is 2:14, but we do not know whether we are talking about either it is in the afternoon, in the morning, in the evening. We do not know. So a day has how many? 24 hours. So in a 12-hour clock, the hour hand goes around the clock 2 times and shows similar timings twice a day. In one day, how many hours are there? In one day has 24 hours. And in this clock you can see only 12 hours are there. So we can say that the time it is 12 hour, it is again repeating. Like 5 we are having in the morning also and in the evening also. The time it is repeating in the both morning and evening. Why? Because we are having a 12-hour clock. And how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours are there in a day. So in order to differentiate this, the letter AM are used to show the time before noon and the letter PM are used to show the time from noon to midnight. So what we are using? We are using AM and PM. So what is the AM? It means AM, it shows the time. It shows the time before AM, it shows the time before noon. And PM, what is the PM it shows? PM, it shows the time from noon to midnight. AM, it is used before noon, and PM, it is used from noon to midnight. AM in the short form of the Latin word, it is the short form of the Latin word. AM and PM, this both they are the short form of the Latin word. What does AM it means? AM it means ante-meridian. It means before noon or midday. And PM, what is the PM? It is also a Latin word which means post-meridian. That means after noon or midday. So AM it stands for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. We will be using the AM from the 12 when the both hour and the minute hand it is at the 12. Both the hour and minute hand it is at the 12. So AM we are using from 12 midnight to 12 noon. To 12 noon. Again when the clock will, when the hour hand it will move and again it will come at the 12 in the afternoon. So till that time we will be using AM. And PM for the time from 12 noon to the 12 midnight. We will be using the PM. Now I will be writing a few time and you have to tell whether what you have to do. I will be writing the AM and PM just after the time. Just after the time I will be writing here AM and PM, and what we have to do, you have to make a sun to show a day night and a star to show the night. What you have to do? You have to make either a sun or star. What you will be doing? You have to make a sun. This is the sun. In order to show AM, you have to make a sun to show the AM and star to show the PM. AM it means it is in the morning, in the daytime, and PM it means it is in the evening, at the night. We can say in the morning, evening, or in the night. Now suppose I will be writing here the time 10:15 AM, 10:20 PM, 5:0 AM, 4:45 PM. So here after the timing you can see what I have written: AM, PM, AM, PM. So AM means it is 10:15 in the morning. So what I will be doing here, I will be drawing sun because it is daytime. When the time it is daytime, I will be drawing the sun here. I will be drawing here the sun because it is the daytime. Now here it is PM. PM means it is 10:20. It is in the night. So I will be drawing star. Here evening, or we can say night also. Okay. Here 5:00 AM. AM means in the morning. So morning I will be drawing sun. Here 4:45 PM. PM is there, so I will be drawing here the star. So in this way we use the AM and PM. For 12 o'clock we do not use AM or PM. We used to write either 12 noon or 12 midnight. For 12 we do not use the AM or PM. For 12 either we used to write as 12 noon or 12 midnight. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and God bless you all.